Hi friends, guys. Having a staycation here at one of the luxury hotel and casino, no other than Okada. So I just want to have at least a 5-day stay here. Okay naman, talagang nakakalula, ang laki. And aside from staying here, I have also the business to do, since I'm an engineer and I'm having also the business appointment here. So it's good. You see the directory. See the directory. A lot of daming luxury retail store. And you know, design, chandelier. It's really a big hotel and casino. So I'm just looking for the site where I can have my meeting. Okay. So yeah, silip ko lang sa inyo ng konti, and then off muna ako because I need to attend my business meeting. So ito siya, ito yung isang part ng hotel and casino. Okay, see you again guys. Bye for now.